Dante.
Hey, Bookie.
You like Zac Efron.
What's up?
You like Zac Efron.
You cutting out what?
You like Zac Efron.
I actually get that sometimes.
That's
I got you on my wall, bro.
What is that? That's a puppet?
It's a monkey.
Here's me. What's your name? Yo, you cool, bro.
What?
Come here. Red shirt. Red shirt. Now fuck that. I'm trying to get both of y'all now. Both of y'all. Both of y'all. Bruh.
I can get an utero.
A what?
Utero.
Hold on. A what?
I can get an utero.
What the fuck is that?
An outfit of the day.
Hold on. I want you to pronounce that again.
Outfit of the day.
No, what you said before that.
Oh, utero. I fuck with it. It's look calm shit. Look calm shit. Look cool shit.
Yeah. That's right.
That's slides. That's cool. What size are you?
Huh?
What size are you?
And shoes?
Nah. Bra size. What? They smacking on this bitch. Out of pistol packing cause a nigga got a gun. Hold on. Call me. Yeah. Tommy gun. Oh my god. Hold on. Nigga smoking Zah. Nigga puffing Russ. Nigga smoking on that fire. Oh my fucking god damn. Oh my fucking god. I say oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking
One eternity later.
This nigga again. Please, no. Quick question. Do y'all like Burger King or McDonald's?
McDonald's. Oh, Burger King. Oh, hell no. McDonald's.
Okay. So the white girl, she likes it. She likes missionary. Both of y'all like it from the back. So that's basically.
Well, you're correct, bro.
Said I love me, you stupid.
That's
I
like
love you, stupid. I say I love you, stupid. Love me, you stupid. I say, damn.
I said I love me just a black boy.
SpongeBob. I never met you. Always want to meet. I'm your biggest fan. Like, yes.
Me?
Oh, hell no. No. SpongeBob SquarePants.
she wanted to meet you. We're so sorry.
Excuse me.
Okay.
How old are you in the glasses?
Yeah, see?
How old are you?
I ask you first.
Ooh. Old enough.
Are you over the age of 18?
Yes.
Oh, okay, then that's good. I can get your IG.
Her ID. What the
He said he did not say ID.
IG.
What the fuck ID?
Why? You think I'm cute?
Huh?
Why? You think I'm cute?
I mean, yeah, that's the only reason I'm asking you. If I was ugly, I wouldn't have asked you.
Is not fucking
I
18.
My homeboy said you not 18, so are you lying to me?
What?
What the fuck she lying?
He don't even know me. Like,
Okay,
what?
wait, hold on, pause. No disrespect. Can you please tell the midget back here to shut up because she finna piss me off. So, yes. Hey, I will come over there and beat your ass with a belt. You better get back.
Clock it,
Shut the fuck up. That's why
Yo.
A few moments later.
Come on, bro. That nigga stroking and shit.
he was definitely starting.
You look like Ian. Oh.
Shameless?
No. The rapper.
What are you talking about?
You look just like that nigga. What the fuck is going on? What's happening? It gotta be out.
It's the time. What the fuck?
You about to kiss that nigga.
You need to leave.
You think he got some inches on him?
Wait. How nasty of you!
Hair. I'm talking about his hair. You dirty-minded little girl. I'm talking about his hair.
Yeah.
I'm drained. Burn holes in mine.
Yo, okay. Brother Buns.
Huh? What?
The fuck?
The fuck?
Yeah.
The fuck?
Your own friend's looking at you weird, bro.
Yeah, your own friend is looking at you.
The fuck? What are y'all
Yeah.
talking about? Like, would y'all
Yeah,
would y'all
say.
would y'all
I like
eat would y'all eat McDonald's or Burger King? Brother Buns.
Oh, bro, I thought you said open your buns.
Oh, what you
What is
want?
that?
SpongeBob?
I'm not motherfucking SpongeBob SquarePants.
It's SpongeBob.
Why is his legs moving like that?
His legs just move. What the fuck?
I don't give a fuck, bitch. I gotta make it to the sequel. I'm black. I'm not dying in this movie. It's about to be October, Halloween. Why is it?
His legs
That
just move. It's an animatronic.
His legs just move?
Yes, it's an animatronic. Like it's metal in his legs.
I don't like that. That look like Hunter, Freddy Fazbear.
No, like we would support Jesus Christ right here.
Oh, why you got him hanging on the wall like that? Ooh. The devil's a lie. The devil's a lie.
Okay, babe.
You.
If you if you can make me laugh, I'll cash up you $15.
Hey, we actually make you laugh.
Okay, wait, what do we say? We need to beat this through.
Use the other one.
Yeah, that one. Use that one. Okay.
Bro, there's no fucking way they just did that.
How do you arrest a man with one arm?
I don't know.
Think this through.
Oh shit, it's Chucky.
Super slime, I can't trust nobody. I can rap in my soul.
Come on.
Not the lyrics. I mean,
Come on, you know that shit. Come on. Come on, Chucky.
Super slime, ain't trust nobody. I don't watch any clown.
Super slime, I can't trust nothing. That's why I'm rocking this chrome. Come her AK a pack, gotta slow down on the jam.
Timmy. Oh, get it. What is bro looking at? Why is he looking up? 6'7"? Oh. Get it. Alright, get it. Oh. Get it, Timmy Tummy. Go, Timmy Tummy. Get it. Oh, SpongeBob. Oh. I want chicken wings.
Well, chicken niggas, yo, sausage, egg, and cheese. Let me get that the Aki way, nigga.